Wondering where you'll move if you sell your house today? If you put a pause on your home search because you weren't sure where you'd go once you sold your house, it might be a good time to get back into the market. That's because today's market undergoing a shift, and the supply of the homes for sale is increasing as a result. That means you may have a better chance of finding a home that will meet your criteria and needs. Here are some options to consider. Buying an existing home can give you that lived-in charm according to the National Association of Realtors. The supply of existing homes has steadily increased since the beginning of the year. The graph below indicates inventory levels are rising, and that's largely due to more homes coming to the market, and then the pace of sales is slowing. So as the graph shows, if you're looking for a home with like live-in charm, supply is rising, and that's great news for you. Danielle Hale, with chief economist for Realtors.com, gives insight into why more homeowners are listing their homes and adding to the growing supply of existing homes today. Home sellers in many markets across the country continue to benefit from rising home prices and fast-selling homes. That's prompted a growing number of homeowners to sell their homes this year compared to last. Giving home shoppers much-needed options, we've seen more homes come up for sale this year compared to the last. There are several benefits to buying an existing home. Many buyers want to purchase a home with history, and the characters of older houses is hard to reproduce. Existing homes can often be a part of an established neighborhood featuring mature landscaping that can give additional privacy and boost your curb appeal. Plus, timing can be a consideration as well. With an existing home, you can move in based on the timeline you agree with the sellers rather than building a new home and waiting for construction to finish. This is something to keep in mind, especially if you need to move sooner rather than later. Just remember, while more sellers are listing their homes, supply is still low overall. That means you'll have more options to choose from and as you search for your next home. But you'll still need to be prepared for a fast-moving market. Purchasing a newly built or under construction home means brand new everything. Census data shows there's an increasing number of new homes available for sale. It includes homes that are under construction, soon to be completed, and built. As the graph below highlights, the supply of new homes for sale also has grown this year. A lot of builders are bringing a lot of incentives, and their lenders are bringing out incentives as well. So when building a new home, you can create your perfect living space and customize it to your lifestyle. That could mean everything from requesting energy efficient options to specific design features. Plus, you have benefits of all the new appliances, windows, roofing, and all that kind of stuff and more. These can all help lower your energy costs, which can add up to a significant savings over time. The lower maintenance that comes with the newer home is another great advantage. When you have a new home, you likely won't have as many little repairs and tackles like leaky faucets, shutters, etc. Basically those are the benefits of a new construction. You also have warranty options that may cover portions of your investment for the first few years. Keep in mind, purchasing a new home could mean waiting a considerable amount of time before you can move, but Robert Diaz, a chief economist at Senior Vice President Economist of Housing Policy at the National Association of Home Builders, explains new single-family homes inventory remain elevated at 7.7 months. Supply, however, only 8.3% of the new home inventory is completed and ready to occupy. The remaining have not started construction. 25% or so are currently still under construction. That's an important factor when making your decision, and one you should discuss with your trusted advisor. They'll help you think through all the pros and cons of both new and resale, and then decide what's the best option. With the supply of homes for sale, you have options for your next home no matter what preferences you are. If you have any questions or need help how to decide, let's start a conversation today. DM me, message me, call me, text me. I'm here to help.